What is up, my super amazing beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. So it's been raining since morning, जैसे कि आप लोग देख रहे हैं. So सुबह से बारिश हो रही है और ऐसे वेदर में इट इज़ ऑलवेज़ कि हम लोगों को मन करता है कुछ चटपटा खाए, कुछ तीखा खाए या फिर कुछ कुछ अलग सा खाए. So I am actually going to a place at Malkajgiri right now, which is called as Jeep Bistro. So I'm not exactly sure as to what they have to offer, but I know they offer shawarma and a lot of kebabs, which I'm quite intrigued to try. So let's quickly go there and check that place out and try whatever they have to offer. Let's get started.
Chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July.
Okay, so we are here at Jeep Bistro. I'm sure you must be intrigued as to why the name is Jeep Bistro, because it is preparing everything in literally a Jeep. Let me quickly show you. Just have a look. So that is Jeep Bistro there, and here is where you have some seating arrangements. I'll take you inside in a moment. Help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor while the beer was a lover. Trust we ain't no amateurs, nah. We got this, to rest assured. But when I think out loud, there's always a crowd smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. People sitting by the wall and they're leaning. Some are lying on the bed, lucid dreaming. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something really special made me think about you, about you, about you, you. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you, about you. It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Okay, so you just saw what all they were making. So it's time, let's sit inside and try a few items and see how it is. Okay, let's get inside. Okay, so let's go inside. So here is where we sit. So these are the seating, very small and cute place, and it's quite peaceful as well. I think I'm gonna sit here. Yep, I think this is where I will sit.
Without you, I know that something.
So here is their menu. Let's just open and see what all do they have to offer. So here we see that there are a lot of salads and shawarmas that they are offering. You can also see the price of each. And then you also have quite a few kebabs here. So you have paneer tikka, you have chicken tikka, you have chicken hariyali kebab, fish tikka, tandoori prawns, mushrooms, chicken wings, and then you have some mini combos as well. And then you also have some veg shawarmas, non-veg shawarmas, you have some lemon kebab. So overall I see that they are offering quite a few items here, and the price point is also quite reasonable as far as what I see. So now let's quickly go ahead and order, and let's go ahead and try.
But they cheer to the governor.
They even have these goli sodas available, so this is quite interesting. I'm gonna try the lemon one here. So let's go ahead and try this one. I love doing this. Amazing. Nice. I'm loving the flavors.
Without you, I know there's something really special.
Okay, so we ordered for a lot of things. So 3 of them are here. So the first one is chicken shawarma with salad, and then malai kebab, and then we have chicken tikka as well. I asked them to make it small pieces like this, so that it's more easier to eat, and it also will make me eat slowly. So there are more items to come. I will be showing you all those items as well. Meanwhile, let's try these items and see how they are. So let's take the toothpick and begin. I'll first try the chicken tikka. So there are 2 different chutneys with this. One is mayonnaise and one is, I feel, spicy. So let's just try the spicy one first. Nice, it's brilliant. The taste and the aftertaste also is amazing. Let's try with the mayonnaise now. Outstanding. The taste of tikka itself, standalone, is fantastic. And these two are adding to the flavors. Now let's try the malai kebab. Okay. First we'll try with the mayonnaise. Amazing. Lovely flavors. And this one's with the spicy one. Sexy. This is also quite good. And now let's try the shawarma. Outstanding. A lot of mayonnaise in here and a lot of chicken, a lot of salad. So the taste is simply fantastic. I'm getting all the flavors actually, the chicken flavor, the flavor of the mayonnaise, and then even the Romali roti is also quite large, so it's quite filling. Okay, so abhi 3 items to done ho gaye, which is the shawarma and the malai kebab and chicken tikka. So we also have chicken wings coming in, and we have tangri kebab coming in. So let's just wait for that and try. Till then, let's have a sip of this. This is seriously a nostalgia for me. I just love it since my childhood.
Got already getting cross, drinking Henny,
Okay, so we have got 3 more items here. First one, which I told, which is chicken tangri kebab. And then we have crispy chicken wings. These are like spicy chicken tikka sort of wings. And then we have paneer tikka as well. I just wanted to try one veg item, so I've got this as well. So let's have a look at these items as well. I'm gonna try one by one. So I think I'm gonna try with the paneer tikka first because I wanna keep the chicken for the last. Okay, let's try. Okay, the piece is huge. Nice. I don't know if it's as good as the chicken tikka though, but it's kind of good. Overall, decent. Next, I'm gonna try the chicken wings. Let's have. This is amazing. Well, I'm sure if we mix it with the mayonnaise or the spicy chutney, this is gonna taste even better. So overall, this is also quite good. And last, for the best, saving the best one for the last one. Let's try the chicken tangdi kebab. I want to try it without anything because I want to taste how it tastes on its own. So let's try it. Outstanding. Probably out of all the items that I tried, the chicken tangdi kebab were the best. So far, I think everything that I've tried is quite good. And I'll give you the sequence as to what I liked overall. So the first thing that I liked was the chicken tangdi kebab, then probably the chicken wings, and the third one was the chicken shawarma, and fourth one was the malai kebab, and then the chicken tikka, and then came this paneer tikka. However, I'm more of a non-veg guy, so I probably can be biased towards vegetarian. So overall, you can still give it a try, but I think the non-veg one beats the vegetarian one over here.
You're just so stunning.
Okay, so I found one very interesting item in this menu here. So it says Pani Puri Shawarma. So quite intrigued to see what exactly this is. So we ordered for that and we got this. So it looks like a Pani Puri, but let's see what do we have here. I'm very excited for this one. Okay, I'm changing my decision. So the first item, the best item I have tried at this place is probably the Pani Puri Shawarma, and it is quite underpriced for what I'm getting here because this is amazing. Fantastic, to be honest. Just loving it.
Crazy, but I'm not
I am literally loaded right now. मैंने इतना खाया है जो कि मैंने काफ़ी दिनों में नहीं खाया था. And everything that I tried, I literally loved almost everything. My favorite out of all, like I said, was the Pani Puri Shawarma, which was a new item for me, so it was quite interesting. Other than that, the chicken tangdi was good, chicken wings were good, chicken shawarma was also good, right? And the paneer tikka was decent, but then I think it was just that I was comparing it with non-vegetarian, so that's why I probably did not like it so much. The paneer tikka was good, and the chicken tikka was good, and even the malai tikka was good. Malai tikka was actually quite good as well. So I think this place is quite decent for the price point that they're offering. The quantity and everything is also quite good. So overall, this place is quite good if you want to try some quick bites and quick food and some handy foods, right? So this is definitely a very good place for you to try. So they are located at 4 locations. One of them is at Malkajgiri, where I am right now. And other than that, they have new branch opening tomorrow at Hapsiguda. And other than that, they also have one at JD Metla and there's one at Balapur. So I'll put the locations for all the places in the description below, and you can definitely click on it and visit the nearest location that you have and try everything that they have in here. I can tell you one thing, that you're gonna love it. So overall, that is it from my side from this place, Jeep Bistro. This is your Ladla Foodie signing off. You have a great day ahead.